Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you all had a nice weekend. This week my video, I just want to do a little quick one on colours. Now I wanted to show you how to wear colours that aren't typically your best and how to make them work for you. One of the reasons I wanted to do this YouTube channel was because there are so many rules around fashion with body shapes and color complexions. So if I have this kind of body shape, I can't wear this kind of clothing, or if I have this colored hair, skin and eyes, then these colors don't suit me. So I want to show you how to take the colors that technically aren't your best and how to make them work. Okay, let's go. Okay, so first up I have this heavy cream velvet blazer. I can't go past velvet, it's one of my favorite fabrics, but typically this heavy cream is not a great color on me. I'm better in white, I'm better in cool crisp colors. So if you see, if I take this cream and put it up against my face, it drains a bit of the colour out of my face and makes my complexion look a bit yellow and yuck, as opposed to the white that makes it a bit crisper. So ideally this up against around my face is not doing me any favours, but I'm going to show you how I make this work. Okay, so what we've done here is I've popped a black high neck skivvy underneath this blazer. Black is a good colour on me, it's a cool colour, and so the rule is, here's me wanting to get rid of rules, the best way to go about it is that you want the colour closest to your face to be the colour that suits you best. So even though this cream is really heavy and draining on me, because the black is my colour and it's closest to my face, it's balancing out the, okay, next up I have this khaki waistcoat, this, you can see it. Now I do wear this on its own in summer. Another thing, well, if you're wearing something and it's not your colour and you don't have anything on underneath it, to make sure that you either have earrings, a statement necklace, or a lipstick that is your colour. So again, it's the closest thing to your face that is your correct colour, and you want to make sure that the top that isn't your correct colour is sitting a bit lower down, so you've got that space between your neckline and then the colours that suit you. Okay, that's a lot of hand gestures. So again, if I show you, you see the khaki is quite draining on my face. It makes me look washed out, but now I'm going to show you what I pop under it to make it work. Okay, so what I've done is I've popped a crisp white shirt under this khaki waistcoat. So again, the white is the closest colour up to my face. I've then popped a lipstick on that is in my cool colour range to help as well. And the black buttons, the black contrasting buttons, also help as well, kind of detract around here from the khaki to my face. Okay, so very last, I have this rust coloured dress, you can see, which is a really warm colour. So what I've popped under this is I've gone for a pattern, a strong contrasting pattern, because this is a halter neck dress. So the colour is up close to my face. So with a strong contrasting pattern, it kind of is a bit louder, kind of competes well against the rust colour. Anyway, so I hope that helped. So I hope you all have a really nice week. Please comment below if you've got any questions, any styling questions, or any ideas for different videos moving forward. I always love suggestions. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye.